Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic: how to check for warrants in Michigan in 2025. If you've ever had a nagging worry about an outstanding warrant, maybe from an old ticket or something else, this guide is for you. It's crucial to stay informed about your legal status, and I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, straightforward way. First off, let's talk about why this matters. A warrant can affect your daily life, from travel to job opportunities, so checking early can save you a lot of hassle. Now, keep in mind that laws and procedures can change, so this is based on the latest info up to 2025. Always double-check with official sources. Step 1. Start with the Michigan State Police website. They have a dedicated section for public records and warrants. Head over to michigan.gov and navigate to the Law Enforcement or Criminal Records page. You'll likely need to enter your personal details like your name, date of birth, and possibly a case number if you have one. This is a secure way to search without jumping through hoops. Step 2. If the online search doesn't yield results or you prefer a more hands-on approach, contact your local county court or sheriff's office. In Michigan, each county maintains its own records, so for example, if you're in Wayne County, visit their website or call them directly. They might require you to fill out a form or visit in person, especially for sensitive information. Another option is using the Michigan Court System's online portal, which has been updated for 2025 to make things easier. Look for the e-services or public access section where you can search court cases. Remember, this might involve a small fee, so have your payment info ready. Before we go further, a quick disclaimer: this isn't legal advice. If you find a warrant or have questions, consult a lawyer immediately. They can help you understand your options and resolve any issues. In summary, checking for warrants in Michigan is straightforward with the right resources. By using official websites and local offices, you can get the info you need quickly and responsibly. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more legal tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay informed.